Good day everyone, this is Aussie Azure here. Welcome to another series where we learn interesting stuff. So in this new playlist, we're going to be focusing on Office 365, Microsoft Intune, and all the other CI/CD pipelines. So today, let's focus on creating our Office 365 environment. Let's get started. So the first thing that we need to set up for this lab is we have to purchase a Microsoft 365 Business Premium license. And the reason being that this license has Intune and all of the other bits and pieces that we might need moving forward. So let's do that right now. So let's just pop in an email address for setting up this tenant. Let's just pop in all of the details here. Yeah, and let's just pop in our verification code. And the next thing it's going to ask us is how do we want to set up our domain name. Microsoft.com, so that will work. And this is going to be our domain administrator password. And now we have performed the final task that we signed up to the account, and it's all done. Now, after we have provided the payment information, it's going to take a couple of seconds, and after that, we should have our account ready. Now, after all of the account details are set up, it will ask you to set up multi-factor authentication, which is important. So we'll just set that up right now. So we'll just hit next. And that is all done now. So you have successfully set up an M365 tenant. Well done.